Hi, I'm Jesper. I'm the founder of calculations.tools. If you've ever needed to calculate what a company is actually worth as an acquisition target, accounting for its debt and cash position is a very smart call. And this is where our enterprise value calculator, also called EV, comes into play. So up top here, you have the actual calculator, and down below the calculator, you have a lot of helpful content that will help you answer any questions you may have. You can see how exactly to calculate it with the formulas. There are some comparisons, some examples, FAQs, and so on. But let's just do an example here. There's going to be a lot of zeros in this example, but just bear with me. All right, so market cap and total debt, both short-term and long-term. Cash in equivalents, EBITDA, and those both EBITDA and revenue are optional, but the more numbers you have, the better the result or the overview of the EV you get. And revenue. So this instantly, after you plug in the numbers, it instantly gives you the enterprise value, the market cap, total debt, cash, and the enterprise value divided by the EBITDA, enterprise value divided by revenue. Down below those figures, you'll get the exact calculation for the numbers you plugged in. So you can like double check after you see how down below you see the formula, then you can actually double check that the numbers are correct, that the calculation itself, you will understand how it's calculated. Just a pro tip here when calculating the EV or using this tool, because one thing that most people get wrong when calculating EV is using the book value of debt instead of market value. So the more correct approach would be for publicly traded debt, use the current trading price. And then for private companies where market value obviously is not available, then book value is an acceptable approximation. But yeah, just before you plug it in, the numbers here for the calculator, just double check that everything is correct. And this calculator will be spot on accurate every single time. If you do have any questions about enterprise value or how to use this calculator, just comment it down below and I'll answer you right